Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent automatic downloads for all media types on WhatsApp Web for PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it easier than ever to manage your storage and data usage. Let's dive into the simple steps to take control of your media downloads. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and can see your chats. Now, look to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu with various options. Find and click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear or cog. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several categories. We're interested in the Chats section, so go ahead and click on that. Within the Chats settings, you'll find an option called Media Auto Download. This is where the magic happens. Now, here's the crucial part. In the Media Auto Download section, you'll see checkboxes next to different types of media: photos, audio, videos, and documents. By default, some or all of these might be checked, meaning WhatsApp is automatically downloading these files when they're sent to you. To prevent automatic downloads for all media types, simply uncheck all 4 boxes. Start with photos, then move on to audio, videos, and finally documents. Make sure none of the boxes are ticked. And that's it. You've successfully disabled automatic downloads for all media types on WhatsApp Web. From now on, when someone sends you a photo, video, audio file, or document, it won't download automatically. Instead, you'll have the option to download each item manually when you want to view it. This simple change can help you save storage space on your computer and give you more control over your data usage, especially if you're using a metered internet connection. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and re-enable auto downloads for specific media types if you change your mind. WhatsApp makes it easy to customize your experience to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly optimized WhatsApp Web experience.